The whole world is going wireless today. With so many options of Bluetooth headphones, here is one more that you can possibly go to. Hey guys, this is the Chennai Handyman, and here is the unboxing of the ZAAP Aqua waterproof Bluetooth headphones. Before we get into the unboxing, let's take a look at some of the information that is already on the box. So the headphone comes with the standard Bluetooth 4.1 connectivity. They say it can have a connectivity of up to 33 feet, which needs to be tested out. Has a multifunction button, has a high quality microphone which allows you hands-free calling. Also comes with noise cancellation, and you can obviously play music on the go. So I got the black color that is available. I believe it also comes in the white. So the price on the box says 5,000 rupees, but as on April 28th 2018, this is available at a price of 2,999 on Amazon. The link for the product is at the bottom, or rather in the description of this video. The box also speaks about what you get along with the product in the package. So obviously you have the Aquafit Bluetooth headphones, you have 2 pairs of extra ear tips, your micro USB charge cable, a portable carry case, and friendly customer service, which obviously is not in the box, but the information of it is available. Having looked at what is in the box, let's also take a look at some of the technical specifications. So it comes with a Bluetooth 4.1 version, as we saw earlier. They say it can connect up to 33 feet, which needs to be tested. Comes with a 120 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion battery. They say there's a standby time of 100 hours. A charge time of approximately 3 hours. It's compatible with all the latest phones in the market today. And obviously the frequency, impedance, the SN ratio, and they say the product gives a talk time of approximately 10 hours. Having looked at all the features, let's now get to the unboxing. As soon as you open the box, the first thing that you will see is a black carry case, which has all of the stuff inside. Let's move that aside for a moment and let's look at what else comes inside. So standard user guide with all of the information that you require for starting up, as well as usage of the product. You also get a warranty card. It says it covers products from defects in terms of workmanship and materials for 12 months from the date of purchase. It does not cover the normal wear and tear and alterations, as well as some of the other things we obviously end up doing with the Bluetooth headset. You also get a product catalog of ZAAP. It has all the products that the company manufactures. If you like it, you can obviously take a look at it. And that's the empty box. Now let's open up the box itself. The box on the outside looks pretty sturdy. It looks pretty premium. It's not just a giveaway case. It looks pretty sturdy, and it does look definitely premium. Open it up and you get just 3 things inside. Obviously this is the headphone. You have the standard USB charging cable, and you have 2 pairs of earplugs. This comes in a black and orange combination. Having looked at all that, let's actually open up the headphones itself. So the headphones come in this black matte finish, has an orange and black combination which looks really good. It looks pretty sturdy. It does not feel cheap or inexpensive like most of these Bluetooth headsets you get these days. These look pretty sturdy and has a very good finish to it. Has those volume rockers on one side. You have these one single multifunction button on the other side as well. So those are the only two buttons that you get on the product. They have the ZAAP logo on both sides. So that is pretty much it on this video. I will go ahead and use it for a few days and see how it works out. I will post a full review in a few days. If you do like the video, please go ahead and subscribe. Let me know what you think about the video in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. This is the Chennai Handyman, and until we meet again the next time, peace.